Portugal, a beautiful country located in Europe with around 10 million people living in its 88,000 square kilometers. Its capital, Lisbon, is one of the most populous cities together with Porto and Amadora. The national language is Portuguese and their most common surnames are Silva, Santos, and Ferreira. As they are part of the European Union, they also use the euro as their currency. And, as in many other countries, soccer is an important aspect of their culture. With amazing players like Cristiano Ronaldo and Bernardo Silva, they are expected to do well in competitions like the World Cup, where they have reached third place back in 1966. Portugal is a very interesting country with amazing facts about its history. They have the longest bridge in Europe, which stands 17 kilometers long. Aside from that, Portugal is the oldest country in Europe, being a country since 1139. Even more interesting, Portugal was the first colonial power to abolish slavery back in 1761.
Portugal has a lot of incredible landmarks, but their most incredible ones are the Benagle Sea Cave, which is a collection of caves in Algarve, and the Torre de Belém, which is a tower constructed on the banks of the Tagus. Traditions and festivals are common in such a diverse country like Portugal, but there are still a few ones that outstand from the rest. For example, the Festa dos Tabuleiros, which is a festival that takes place on the city of Tomar during the first 2 weeks of July, happens every 4 years. Another famous festival is the Festa das Cruces, a festival full of parades and joy that fill the city of Barcelos for 11 days. Even though this country is amazing, it still has some issues. For example, between the years 2009 and 2016, Portugal experienced a severe economic crisis that left the country with high rates of unemployment and rising government debt. However, Portugal has been able to recover from this in an amazing way, and their economy has been in a continuous rise since then, thus paying their debt progressively.